In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add indicators on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Speth Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, open the chart for the trading instrument you want to analyze. This could be a forex pair, an index, a commodity, or any other asset available in your account. After the chart is open, look at the toolbar above the chart area. There, click the Add Indicator button. This will open a new window called Add Algorithm in Pepperstone Speth Trader. In that window, make sure the Indicators tab is selected, so you are viewing the list of technical indicators rather than any other tools. Next, browse through the available indicators in the list. If you already know the name of the indicator you want to use, you can save time by using the search box to find it quickly. Pepperstone Speth Trader includes many popular indicators, so you can choose from tools like Moving Average, Relative Strength Index, also known as RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands. Once you find the indicator you want, click on it to open its settings. Here, you can customize how the indicator will work on your chart. Depending on the indicator, you may see options such as panel, source, periods, and other settings. Adjust these based on your trading preferences or analysis style. After setting everything the way you want, click the plus Add to Chart button. The platform will then load the indicator onto your chart. Some indicators will appear directly over the price chart, while others may open in a separate panel below the main chart. Give it a moment to load, then check the chart to confirm that the indicator is showing correctly. If you want to use more than one indicator, simply repeat the same process. Click the Add Indicator button again. Choose another indicator, adjust its settings, and add it to the chart. You can combine multiple indicators to build a chart layout that supports your trading strategy. Finally, take a moment to verify that each indicator is displayed properly and that the settings match what you intended. This helps ensure your chart is ready for accurate technical analysis. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.